Hi, I'm Phil Gallagher from Good eLearning, and here are the 5 key benefits of ITIL 4 in 60 seconds or less. Number 1. Alignment. ITIL 4 is designed to keep digital and IT management goals aligned with high-level corporate strategies. This keeps businesses competitive in any industry or environment. 2. Variety. ITIL has always offered various modules covering separate elements like strategy, management, and value creation. This lets students focus on the areas most relevant to them. 3. Integration. ITIL 4 can accommodate other popular management approaches such as DevOps and Agile. This helps companies to optimize all areas of digital and IT management. 4. Continuous improvement. ITIL practitioners have the tools, perspective, and best practices to keep improving IT services even as technology and client expectations evolve. And 5. Future-proofing. ITIL 4 is set to be updated regularly, keeping it in line with the latest developments and insights in digital and IT management. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you're interested in free trials and resources on IT service management topics, click the link below in the description. Visit the Good eLearning website today to find out more.